Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client John's first Section 8 rental property. Guys, John bought this thing for $45,000. It was in brutal condition. I'm gonna post pictures right now so you can see it and kind of see what that transformation has looked like here. Originally, it was a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. I'm gonna take you inside, we'll walk through it, and you guys will be able to see what it looks like now and what we're able to do in terms of putting our teams on things in areas that maybe you don't live in, where you want to get started in real estate, you want to build these Section 8 portfolios, but the area that you live in is not affordable, or you can't afford to get into those markets and cash flow because of current interest rates. You guys want to get started, you want to use our teams, you want to do this thing with me, send me an email. My information's in the description below. We'll get you started. We'll do this whole thing from scratch. But come on in, I want to walk you through John's first property. So guys, you walk in here, we have done absolutely everything in here. So this was a full rewire. The entire house was fully rewired, brand new roof, all new drywall, new subfloor and new LVP throughout the entire thing. All brand new windows throughout the entire house. And really, as we walk through, you guys will be able to see. So what we did here in terms of flooring, we brightened it up. LVP is really, really light. And this house, which doesn't have any power right now, waiting for the final sign off from the city for the electrical, it's still really, really light and it's very bright. And originally, guys, this was part of the living room. What we did was we walled this off to create bedroom number 4. So bedroom number 4, like I said, all brand new windows throughout the entire house and all new flooring in here. Originally there was a door there, we deleted the door, built a closet right here, and now this is your very large bedroom number 1. So coming back through bedroom number 1, we come into the hallway and we have our gigantic kitchen. So all brand new countertops, brand new cabinets, new sink. We'll put our stove, will go right here, new hood, new uppers and lowers, new water heater. Now keep in mind, we're still waiting on some finals. So there's some items here we still need to touch up. We'll have our trim people come in here and touch up the trim. We will have our people come through here and kind of do the final once over and take care of it that way. So new water heater, and you'll have your washer dryer hookups over there as well, and you'll also have plenty of room in here to have your big dining room table. So really, really good size, guys. Everything in this house, very old house, and everything's very large. So brand new electrical panel, guys, all brand new rewiring. Panels down so the electrical inspector can come in here and sign off on everything to make sure everything's up to code and make sure everything's good. So coming into bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 is, again, really nice, good size. No vent covers yet because we are waiting on the electrical to be signed off on. Before we put the HVAC in, they'll have the HVAC inspection. So everything's done, all the duct work's done, all the wiring's done. We just can't hook it up yet. And we're not gonna leave an HVAC unit sitting outside before we have the sign-offs necessary and have it get stolen. So as we walk through here, guys, back into the hallway, we come to the end of the hallway. We have a bedroom on our left. So bedroom on our left right here, again, all brand new windows and very, very light, very bright, very spacious. We walk through this bedroom into bedroom number 4. So bedroom number 4 is, again, light and bright and big. And then as we leave bedroom number 4, we have our bathroom. So brand new bathroom in here, okay? We have our sink, brand new toilet, brand new shower. You can't really see it, but came out really, really nice. So guys, I'm really thrilled with how this thing came out, and especially for John, having this be his first Section 8 rental property. It's really nice, and it's in a good part of town. We're gonna get a great tenant for it, and as a 4-bedroom, we're looking at $1,300 to $1,400 a month. So thrilled, really thrilled with it, really happy with it. I know it's gonna be a great rental for him. It's gonna be his first one. It's gonna be the one that's kind of the cornerstone of his portfolio. And it's gonna put him in a position where the first foundational building block. And I always talk all the time on the channel about making sure that the first one's good and making sure that we have something that is really strong at the bottom. That first one's really strong, so we can build on top of that and create a project that is really nice and something that is going to give you confidence to do this over and over again. Because if your first one stinks, you're never going to do it again. If it's not a good experience, you're not going to do it again. If you don't make money, you're not going to do it again. So we have to make sure that that first one checks all those boxes. Doing it by yourself, it's extremely difficult, and it's really hard to check those boxes when you get into a real estate niche that you've never done before, or you get into a market out of state that you're choosing based on the property values and the prices of the homes. Huge mistake. If you want to do this right, send me an email, guys. We'll get you started. I'll hold your hand through the entire process, A to Z, and you'll end up on the channel one day. So guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.